Crafting a billiard pool table that combines inspiration, precision, and the timeless art of woodworking. It's a voyage that takes us from the initial spark of creativity to the meticulous craftsmanship required to bring this iconic piece of furniture to life. In this essay, we will embark on this captivating journey, exploring the process of building a pool table, drawing inspiration from a remarkable book, and highlighting the invaluable resource provided by Ted's Woodworking. The spark of inspiration. Our journey begins with a visit to the hallowed halls of Blott's Billiards in New Jersey. This storied establishment, celebrating its 100th anniversary, is renowned for its craftsmanship in crafting pool tables. It was here, in the midst of celebrating this milestone, that the spark of inspiration ignited. Collaboration and celebration. A casual conversation about type on glue led to a unique collaboration between the author, Blott's Billiards, and Typungalow. This partnership was established to commemorate not only the art of crafting pool tables but also to pay homage to the remarkable 100-year legacy of Blott's Billiards. Exploring Blott's Billiards. Blott's Billiards, with its impressive factory in New Jersey, offers a glimpse into the heart of pool table craftsmanship. The factory is a treasure trove of supplies and is staffed by skilled tradesmen who painstakingly build tables from scratch and restore antique tables to their former glory. The diverse designs on display pay tribute to the artistry and tradition that Blott's Billiards embodies. The three-part slate. At the core of every pool table are 3 slates, each weighing around 200 pounds. This division facilitates transportation and assembly. The slates are meticulously bonded to wooden backs made of poplar using type-on glue. This unique construction not only ensures the table's durability but also guards against warping caused by fluctuations in humidity. Sourcing premium materials. Building a pool table demands the use of top-quality materials. The author carefully sourced walnut, maple, and poplar from First Cut, a supplier in upstate New York. Each piece was meticulously selected and prepared, ensuring the highest standards of craftsmanship. The art of building the frame. To create a sturdy and unwavering structure, a combination of woodworking techniques, including the use of type-on glue and dominoes, was employed in building the frame. This level of meticulous craftsmanship guarantees that the pool table remains rock solid, free from any hint of instability. The guide, How to Build a Pool Table. For those inspired to take on the challenge of building a pool table, the book How to Build a Pool Table is an indispensable resource. This practical, concise, and informative guide is cleverly organized, filled with procedures, useful advice, and crucial illustrations. Its detailed drawings and perfect assembly instructions make it arguably the most accessible DIY guide for building a pool table. This book dispels the notion that only experts can undertake such a project. It introduces a comprehensive approach to building a pool table with an MDF playing surface and includes a straightforward guide for felt installation. With this manual, even woodworking novices can embark on this journey with confidence. Ted's Woodworking, a valuable resource. For woodworkers seeking precision and clarity in their projects, Ted's Woodworking is a treasure trove of meticulously detailed plans. It encompasses all aspects of woodworking projects, providing diagrams, blueprints, materials lists, dimensions, and more. One of the standout advantages of Ted's Woodworking is the clarity of its plans. Diagrams are presented in meticulous detail, complete with full dimensions, providing a clear visual roadmap for projects. Step-by-step instructions accompany these diagrams, ensuring that complex tasks are broken down into manageable steps. Additionally, Ted's Woodworking includes comprehensive materials lists, eliminating the frustration of missing materials during construction. This resource also specifies the required woodworking tools, ensuring that woodworkers have the necessary equipment at their disposal. The process of crafting a billiard pool table is a testament to the artistry and dedication of woodworking. It is a journey that combines inspiration, collaboration, and the pursuit of excellence. The book How to Build a Pool Table and Ted's Woodworking stand as invaluable resources, guiding enthusiasts through the intricacies of this remarkable project. As we celebrate the art of woodworking, let us remember that it is a journey of discovery, precision, and the joy of creation. Crafting a billiard pool table is not merely a task, it is a labor of love that results in a timeless piece of artistry and functionality. It is a reminder that, in the world of woodworking, the pursuit of excellence knows no bounds.